What are you guys doing? Hi. Hi.
Were you guys in the basket?
I in this basket. You in this basket, Mama?
Yeah?
Take this basket.
You want to get in the basket? Okay, go on.
Boy, go in this basket. Go
Want to go in the basket, Aya? Jump. Jump.
Yeah, 7 went in the basket. Go get him.
Too small.
Oh, it's too small?
Yes.
Too small for what?
Nice moves.
I'm
Good.
in. I'm in.
You are in there.
I'm in this basket. I'm in this basket.
Have a kiss?
I stuck. Mom. I stuck. I stuck, Mama. I stuck, Mama. Daddy.
Yep.